Introducing the Praki Airtight Food Storage Container Set, a must-have for kitchen pantry organization and storage. This set includes 16 pieces of BPA-free plastic containers that are perfect for storing a variety of dry foods such as cereal, flour, sugar, nuts, coffee, beans, and snacks. The surprise bundle offers containers in different sizes and shapes to meet all your storage needs. It includes 4 large tall containers, 4 large containers, 4 medium containers, and 4 small containers. With these containers, you can easily organize your kitchen and make the most efficient use of every inch of space. One of the key features of these containers is that they are made of baby bottle materials and are BPA-free. This makes them lighter and more convenient to use. The airtight design ensures that your food stays fresh for longer. The 4-sided locking lids with silicone seals prevent any air or water from entering the containers, eliminating the problem of stale food. No more rolling up bags or dealing with messy spills. To make things even more organized, the set includes 20 reusable labels and a marker. With these, you can easily label your containers and avoid any confusion during the baking process. Say goodbye to searching through your pantry to find the right ingredient. Not only do these containers offer practicality and functionality, but they also come in a sleek black design that will complement any kitchen decor. The durability of these containers ensures long-lasting use, and their stackable design helps save valuable space in your kitchen or freezer. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. With over 6,700 customer ratings and an average rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars, the Praki Airtight Food Storage Container Set is a top choice for kitchen organization. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your pantry and make your life easier. Get yours today by clicking the short link in the description.